Decreasing by working 2 stitches together, abbreviated to K2 tog, is a method of decreasing that involves working 2 stitches together as if they're just 1 stitch. Begin by inserting the right hand needle up through the first 2 stitches on the left hand needle. Bring the yarn around, scoop the yarn through both those stitches, and then slide both the stitches off the needle. So there now we have 1 stitch where there were 2. Let's do that again. Scoop up 2 stitches, go around the needle, bring the yarn through both stitches, and then slide it off the needle. And again, through 2 stitches, around the needle, pull it through, and off. And again, around, through, and off. And now you can see that though I've worked 8 stitches, I've reduced by half down to 4. Decreasing in this way creates a little right-leaning slant in your work. You may be asked in a pattern to decrease like this several times along a row, or just once. It's often used at the end of a right side row to create a neatly shaped left-hand edge that leans inwards.